a slap in the face. Feel what Mary, you poor kids felt, you piece of trash. Hope you're enjoying the fire and the crash. We've known your true face